Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to etch a glass like this one using your CRICUT Maker. So without further ado, let's get started. For the materials, we need permanent vinyl, any color of your choice, glass, etching cream, transfer tape, alcohol, gloves, brush, and a cloth to place your glass and prevent it from moving. Now, let's proceed to CRICUT Maker. Now, we're here to CRICUT Design Space. I already make a design, so I'll be making a honey label for this canister. Now, let's put our vinyl to our light grip mat. Let's turn on our CRICUT Maker. Let's start cutting the design. You don't need to mirror, just click continue. So I will be using vinyl and set the pressure to more. And let's load the mat. And press C button to start. And we will start weeding. Remove it from the mat. And start weeding. Get a piece of transfer tape and put it over your design. And we're ready to put it in our glass. Clean the surface of our glass. Next, attach your design. Make sure that there are no gaps around your design, because if there are gaps, the etching cream can penetrate it and it might ruin your design. The next thing you need to do is to apply the etching cream. Make sure you apply it evenly on the design. Also, please make sure to wear a gloves because the etching cream might be dangerous to your skin. After applying the etching cream, I waited for 15 minutes before I wash it with water. After rinsing with water, you can now remove the vinyl and you can see the etched portion of your glass. This is the final product after etching. There are some parts here that are not good, but maybe because of the design. But for the letters, it's good. And that's it for this quick tutorial video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Also, if you are looking for other tutorial videos for CRICUT and other CRICUT projects, you can check out my channel and I have some tutorial videos uploaded there. Thanks for watching, guys! See you on my next videos! Bye!